Ever wondered how Warren Buffett became one of the richest and most respected investors in the world? What if I told you that his success boils down to just 8 simple rules? Today, we're uncovering the timeless wisdom of the Oracle of Omaha. Stick around, because these rules could change your financial future forever. Rule 1: Master the art of patience. Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Success doesn't come overnight. It's about letting your investments grow over time." Imagine planting a tree. You don't dig it up every day to check the roots, you let it flourish. That's exactly how investing works. Rule 2: Invest in what you understand. Buffett avoids complexity. His advice: stick to your circle of competence. If you don't understand tech or crypto, don't invest in it. Instead, focus on industries or businesses you truly get. For Buffett, that's companies like Coca-Cola and Geico. Rule 3: Value over price. Buffett doesn't chase cheap stocks, he chases valuable ones. He says, price is what you pay, value is what you get. A $200 stock with great growth potential can be a better deal than a $2 stock going nowhere. Rule 4: Never lose money. Buffett's golden rule. Rule 1: Never lose money. Rule 2: Never forget. Rule 1: Now, no investment is 100% risk-free, but the key is to avoid unnecessary risks. Research, diversify, and always have a safety margin. Rule 5: Think long-term. Buffett's holding period is forever. He doesn't panic during market dips. Instead, he sees downturns as opportunities to buy great companies at a discount. His advice: ignore the noise and stay focused on the big picture. Rule 6: Avoid debt. Buffett warns against unnecessary debt. He believes that borrowing to invest can lead to disaster. Instead, use your own money and avoid leveraging unless you're absolutely confident, and even then, proceed with caution. Rule 7: Be fearful when others are greedy. Market bubbles happen when everyone's chasing the same thing. Buffett's advice: when others are greedy, be cautious, but when others are fearful, it might be time to act boldly. And there you have it, Warren Buffett's 8 rules for success. Simple, timeless, and life-changing. Which rule resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs these tips. Thanks for watching. And remember, your journey to wealth starts with smart choices today. See you in the next video.